If Lightroom Classic is throwing an internal error, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the fastest fixes step by step so you can get back to editing as quickly as possible. This is a common issue, and the good news is that in many cases, it can be solved with a few simple changes. If this helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Lightroom fixes and editing tutorials. First, let's start with the most effective fix, resetting Lightroom preferences. Close Lightroom completely, then hold Alt and Shift while opening Lightroom again. Keep holding those keys until you see the option to reset preferences, then click Reset Preferences. This can clear out corrupted settings that often cause the internal error. After that, restart your computer and try opening Lightroom again. If the error still appears, right-click Lightroom and choose Run as Administrator. On Windows, this can help if the app is being blocked by permissions. Sometimes Lightroom needs elevated access to open your catalog properly. Next, check your catalog file directly. Find your .lrcat file and open it manually instead of launching Lightroom the usual way. If the catalog itself is damaged, Lightroom may throw an internal error every time. In that case, try opening a backup catalog if you have one. If not, you may need to create a new catalog and import your photos again. Another common fix is disabling the GPU. Inside Lightroom, go to Edit, then Preferences, then Performance. Turn Use GPU off, then restart Lightroom. GPU acceleration can sometimes conflict with your system and trigger unexpected errors. Finally, check your storage drive and free space. Make sure the drive that stores your catalog and photos is connected properly. Also, keep at least 20 to 30 gigabytes of free space available, because low disk space can cause Lightroom to fail when loading or writing catalog data. If none of these steps work, the issue may be tied to a corrupted catalog backup, a plugin, or a deeper installation problem, but in most cases, one of these fixes solves it. Try them in order and start with resetting preferences because that is usually the most effective solution. If this video helped you fix the internal error, please like the video and subscribe for more Lightroom troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.